Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have seen reminders. Now we'll see divisibility rules. Divisibility rule of 2. So when do we say a number is divisible by 2? We say a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of that number divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 4. We look at last two digits of a given number. Divisibility rule of 8. We look at last three digits. For both of them, we look at sum of digits. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. 11, we look at sum of digits in even places, sum of digits in odd places, or sum of digits in odd places minus sum of digits in even places. I want this difference to be multiple of 11, which means it can be 0, it can be 11, it can be 22. 246. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Last digit is divisible by 2, therefore you can say it is divisible by 2. 49324. Is it divisible by 4? Last two digits. Last two digits are not divisible by 4, therefore it is not divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 8? Last three digits divisible by 8, therefore it is divisible by 8. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Divisible by 9? Yes, because 3 plus 5 plus 1 is divisible by 9. So this is how we basically check divisibility rules. But see, when I say divisibility rule of 8 is last three digits is divisible by 8. When I say divisibility rule of 9, last three digits is divisible by 9. But why? Why can't we say if the sum of digits is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8? Why can't we say last digits or last two digits when divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. Can anyone? Why there is a fixed rule for these numbers? Can't we say if sum of digits is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8? Or else when the last digit or last two digits is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. Any answer from anyone? Yeah, I'll tell you the same. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 square into 5 square, 100. 2 cube into 5 cube, 1000. It goes on like that. 10,000. Ten is a multiple of 2 and 5. 100 is a multiple of 4 and 25. Which means what? Every multiple of 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. Every multiple of 100 is divisible by 4 and 25. Every multiple of 1000 is divisible by 8 and 125. Therefore, we can say if I give you 1,23,456, if I ask you, is it divisible by 8? We check 456. Why? Because 1,23,000 always divisible by 8. I don't need to check because it is 1000. Every 1000 is divisible by 8. So I only have doubt on this 456. This is also divisible by 8. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 8. Okay. When it is divisibility rule of 9. We know when 10 divided by 9, remainder is 1. 10 into 10, when divided by 9, remainder is 1 into 1, 1 only. 10 into 10 into 10, also when divided by 9, we can say the remainder is 1. Literally, I can say 10 to the power of any number when divided by 9, we say remainder is 1. Suppose I have 30,000 when divided by 9. What is the remainder? 3 into 10,000. We know first case remainder is 3. Second case remainder is 1. As a result, we can say remainder is 3 itself. 7 crore when divided by 9. 7 into 10 power 7 when divided by 9. In the first case, remainder is 7. Second case, it is 1. Therefore, you can say final remainder is 7. Which means this digit matter. Number of zeros doesn't matter. Right? So when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12,345, is it divisible by 9 or not? We check like 10,000, 200, 2,300, 40 and 5. When you divide it by 5, what is the respective reminders? First case 1, second case 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 is not divided by 9. Therefore, the entire number is not divided by 9. So here we are doing the sum of digits. You think it is sum of digits, but actually what are they? They are sum of reminders. Okay. So this 1 is a reminder in the first case, 2 is the reminder in the second case. So third case is like 300 when divided by 9, 3 is the reminder, 40 when divided by 9, 4 is the reminder, then last 5. So you think it is sum of digits, so but they are actually what? Sum of reminders. Okay. So when divided by 9, it is not divisible by 9. Therefore, you can say the entire number is not divisible by 9. In case of k also, it is the same. Divisibility rule of 11. Set sum of alternate. Why? Because when 1 is divided by 11, remainder is 1 only. 10 is divided by 11, I'll say remainder as minus 1. 100 is divided by 11, remainder is plus 1. Therefore, I can say 10 power n when divided by 11. It is plus 1 when n is even. It is minus 1 when n is odd. Therefore, when I say 1, 3, 3, 1, I'll write it as 1 into 10 power 3 because 1000. 3 into 10 power 2, 300. 30 is 3 power 3 into 10. Finally, 1. We know this is minus 1 because the power is odd. This is even. Power is 1. Now, power is even. Therefore, 1. This is minus 1. This is positive 1 only. Therefore, multiplied with the respective digits. So, this is minus 1 plus 3. This is minus 3. This is plus 1. Therefore, you do sum of alternate digits. That is the reason. Then you subtract it. So if their difference is 0, the sum of alternate digits, if their difference is 0, then you can say it is perfectly divisible by 11. Any doubt, please do ask. See, if I take a two-digit number AB, how do you write it? Generally, we know expanded form like 56 if I have. Let's say 5 into 10 plus 6. This is how we write it in an expanded form. It's 10 into A plus B. How do we write A, B, C? 100 into A plus C. Or A, B, C, D. 1000 A, 100 B, plus D. See this. I know 1001 is divisible by 11. Therefore, I'll take 1001A minus A. I've added 1A and I've subtracted 1A. We know 99 is divisible by 11. Therefore, 99B plus B. 11C is divisible by 11. Therefore, 11C minus C plus D. Now, what are all divisible by 11? Take out. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. This becomes remainder is 0. Therefore, what are left? Minus A plus B minus C plus D, which means B plus D minus A plus C. If this is divisible by 11, then the entire number is divisible by 11. So what is B and D and what is A and C? These are sum of alternate digits. So that is the reason in case of 11, we say sum of alternate digits and find out the difference of sum of alternate digits. Therefore, we say the entire number is divisible by 11. Okay? Yeah. Now, once if you know the basic divisibility rules, we also write the other divisibility rules, such as divisibility rule of 6. Should be divisible by 2 and 3. Divisibility rule of 12, 3 and 4. Three and 5. Divisibility rule of 72. Very important. 8 and 9. This 72 has lot of factors. 1 and 72, 2 and 20, 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18. But when it comes to divisibility rule of 72, I'll say it is divisible by 8 and 9. Can I say 2 and 36 and 3 and 24? If a number is divisible by 3 and 24, then the entire number is divisible by 72. Can I say so? Can we say that? We can't say that because you need to choose a co-prime pair of factors which are co-prime. Co-prime means they should not have any common factors. This one, they do not have any common factor, not have any common factor, not have any common factor, not have any common factor. Right? So you have chosen a co-prime pair, that is 8 and 9. Divisibility rule of 88. 8 and 11, 99. 9 and 11. Rule of 6, 12, 15, 72, 88, 99. Hope you understand that. 4, 7, 5, 6, 9, 8, 2, 1, 3, x 4, 3, 2 is divisible by 9. Then the value of x. See, generally we do sum of digits, but here, wherever the sum is 9, you can cancel it. Like 9, you can cancel. Excuse me. 8 and 1, you can cancel because sum is 9. 4, 3, 2, sum is 9, you can cancel. 7 and 2, sum is 9, you can cancel. 5 and 4, sum is 9, you can cancel. So what is left? 6 and 3, sum is 9, you can cancel. So there is only one thing left, that is x. Suppose if I say another digit 2 here, then x becomes 7. If it is 2, x becomes 7. Suppose if I put 3 here, x becomes 6. Suppose if I become okay, if I put 4 there, this becomes 5. Suppose if I do not put anything, x can be 0 or else x can be 9. Both two values of x are there. Okay. If I put 1 here, this becomes 8. Suppose if it is 1, then this is x. X is 8. You understand divisibility rule of 9? Wherever the sum is 9, you can then and there itself, you can cancel it simply. Okay. See how I'm cancelling. 4, 3, 2. Sum is 9, cancelled. 8 and 1, cancelled. 9 itself, cancelled. 6 and 3, cancelled. 7 and 1, cancelled. Right? Then after 4 and 5 also cancelled. Every number is gone. So you only left with x. That 1 is left, right? So I can say 1 plus 8 is 9. If that 1 is also not given, then you will have two values for x. And what are those two values? 0 and 9. Hope that's clear. Question asked in the previous years. If the 11-digit number 5678x432667y is divisible by 72, then the value of 5x plus 8y. So first you apply the divisibility rule of 8. 5678x432667 and y. If I apply divisibility rule of 8, we know 32 is divisible by 8. Therefore, y is 2. Okay. If y is 2, what is x? 5 and 4 cancel. 6 and 3 cancel. 7 and 2 cancel. 8 and 1 cancel. You can say 7 and 2 cancel. Therefore, 4 is left. So what is finally left? 2, 4 plus 1, 5 is left. Therefore, x plus 5 should be 9. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Now put it in this. This is 20. This is 16. Root of 36 is 6. For 10-digit number 54321y14 is divisible by 72, then what is the value of 5x minus 4y? We know 49x means divided by what? 8. 48 is gone. 1x means 16. Therefore, x is 6. Take 5432y 17496. Apply same 8 and 9, right? Now 7263. Anyway, 9 cancel. 5 and 4. What is left? 1 plus 4 is left, which is again 5 plus. Y is 4. Therefore, substitute it. 5 into 6. 30 minus 16, 14 there. Any doubt in this topic? If no doubt, then say yes. If everything is clear, then say yes. If you have any, you can ask me. Shruti, you said no, which means do you have any doubts? If you have any doubt, please ask. Right. Look at this. Then we have a square minus b square. A plus b into minus b. You cannot factorize this. A square minus a square plus b square, you cannot factorize. A cube minus b cube, you can write it as plus b square. A square minus AB plus B square. You can write it as a square plus b square minus a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square again? A plus b into a minus b. A power 4 plus b power 4. You cannot further factorize it. It is a power 5 minus b power 5. Write it as a minus b. We start with a power 4. Then gradually we decrease the power of a and increase the power of b. Plus a cube b plus a square b square ab cube b power 4. The power is odd, you'll always factorize. The signs are different, that's all. It is plus. Alternatively, you'll have minus. This is minus, minus. Okay. So I want you to observe all these formulas. If the power is odd, you can always factorize. If the power is even, you can only factorize when there is minus in between. When there is plus in between, you cannot factorize. Now, when there is minus in between, if the power is even, you can say a plus b and a minus b, both of them are factors. Yes or no? A plus b is a factor, a minus b is a factor. Then the power is even and minus in between. When power is odd, if it is a cube plus b cube, then a plus b. If it is a cube minus b cube, then a minus b. Right? This is when the power is even, or when the power is odd. So I can simply say, given thing is like a power n minus b power n. Odd, even. And what are the factors? If it is even, there are two factors. If it is odd, then there is only one factor. What is it? A minus b is a factor, a plus b is a factor if the power is odd. If the power is even, you can say a minus b is a factor, a plus b is also a factor. If the power is even, but in between plus, you cannot write anything. Hope you understand this. Okay. To the power of 81. N is equals to possible factor of n. N is in the form of, and n is odd. Therefore, you can say A minus B is a factor. Right? So 101 is a factor. A minus B. Which of the following divides n? Which means factor of n. You can respond through the poll. Shruti and Samshruti. I hope you got the poll. Just answer. Okay. Everyone answered E and okay. Just one of you answered it is A, B. But see here, can I write, because it is in the form of A power n plus B power n is even, you can't split it, but can I write it as 5 square to the power of 25 plus 3 square to the power of 25? I can write it as 25 to the power of 25, 9 to the power of 25. Now it is in the form of, and n is odd. Therefore, what is a factor? A plus B is a factor. So answer is 34 there. Is it clear? If it is not exactly in the given format, try to bring it to the given format. If you cannot give, okay, bring it to the given format, then just leave it. Then you can't decide. You can say you can't determine. For example, 5 to the power of 64 plus 3 power 54. It may have factors, but can you determine the factors? You can't, because however much you write, it will be like 25 plus 9 to the power of 32, 32, even only. Again, if you want to write it like 4, 8, 16, everything will be even, even, even only. So you can't write it. Simply we can say we can't further split it, right? So they don't give you these kind of questions anyway. They'll give you properly. Answer is anyway there, but see there. How can we say when it is divided by 32, what is the remainder? In the form of a power n plus b power n, so a plus b is a factor. So you can write 127 plus 97 into k. This whole number can be written as like this. So you can say 224k when divided by 32. 224 is, you can say, 32 sevens are. Therefore, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0, then the entire number is also perfectly divisible by what? 32. Okay. One power 31, 2 power 31, remainder. Any answers? See here. First term you take last term. First term and last term you take it. Second term and second last term. 11 to the power of 31, 12 to the power of 31. Everything is in the form of a power n plus b power n. Therefore, a plus b is a factor. So every pair you can write it as 23 like k1. It's a multiple of 23. This is also a multiple of 23. So on. This is also, the last one is also a multiple of 23. When you divide it by 23, from every set you get remainder 0. 0, 0, 0. What is the final remainder? Is also 0. Okay. Yeah, those are divisibility rules. When we look at AB, it is 10A plus B. BA, reverse the digits, 10B plus A. What is the sum? 11 into A plus B. And what is the difference? 9 into A minus B. So if you take a two-digit number, and if you reverse the digits of a two-digit number, and if you subtract it from the original number or add it to the original number, if you add it, the sum will be divisible by 11. If you subtract it, then the sum, okay, then the difference is divisible by 9. This is in case of a two-digit number. If I give you a three-digit number ABC, 100A, 10B plus C. Reverse the digits, 100C, which is 99 into A minus C. Therefore, it is divisible by 99. If you take two digits, reverse it, add it 11, subtract it 9. If I take three-digit number and if I subtract, reverse it and subtract it, it will always be, the difference will always be divisible by 99. Sum, there is no format. Okay, for some you don't get it perfectly. It can be anything. If anything is in the form of AB, 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 four-digit number is in the form of AB, AB. How do you split it? Say it is 1000A, 100B, 10A plus B, 1010A plus 101B. If I common 101, you're gonna get 10A plus B, which means 101 into AB. It is literally, if you take a two-digit number 34, divide 3434. One's a 34. You will only get down one number. Okay. If you want to take down another number, you must put 0. Again, one's a 34. So here number of this page like 34 and 34 and number of ones are always equal. If you have another 34, then you can write another one. So whenever a number is given like AB, AB, you write it as AB into AB into 0, 1, 0, 1, right? If there are 4 ABs. Then you can write it as AB into 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. There are 4 ones. ABC, ABC. ABCD into 1 triple 0, 1. Right? This is very important. I'll tell you why. But before that, if I say if n is equals to 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999, which of the following divides n? Yeah. Here, more than one option is possible. Now, see, there are 8 digits. These 8 digits, every digit is same. Therefore, you can write it as AB, 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 AB. You can also write it as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. That is AB into 10101001. Triple zero one. Therefore, you can say 0001. You can say 10101001. 4 ones are there. Just 2 ones. So your answers are C and G. You can't say anything about A, B, D, E, F, H. I hope that's clear. Now, why did I say this ABC is equals to ABC into 1001? Because 1001 is the product of 3 consecutive primes, that is 7 into 11 into 13. If a number is divisible by 7, comma 11, comma 13, then it is divisible by 01. Suppose if a number is divisible by 1001, then n will be in the form of ABC, ABC. Remember. And it will be in the form of what? ABC, ABC. Okay. What kind of question you can expect? A six-digit number 256 and XYZ is divisible by. Then the value of 2x plus z by y is, we know if it is divisible by 1001, it should be in the form of xyz, xyz. Therefore, R is 256, 256. X is 2, y is 5, z is 6. 2 to the 4, z is 6 divided by 5. 10 by 5 is equals to 2. Understood? Very, very, very important. Okay. You may expect a question from divisibility rule. So yeah, is there any doubt so far? Today also I'm ending it in R. So today topic is divisibility rules. So next we look at unit digit pattern. Like how do we find out the last digit? Okay, in the next class. Is there any doubt so far? Yeah. If all clear, then say yes. If you have any doubt, please do ask. Okay. Right. You can leave.